the internet keeps whispering the same thing. AI will replace traders. Bots will take over the market. Human traders will be no more. Here's the cold truth. Those headlines make a sound bite, but they are lazy thinking. AI is fast, AI is smart, AI processes data more than any human could in a lifetime, but speed and data are not the same as context. Right now, AI excels at pattern recognition. It sees correlations, repeats statistical data. Give it 10 years of price action to recognize patterns you didn't even know existed. Give it a stable environment, it will outperform, no question. But the markets are messy. They are living systems built by humans who lie, panic, hope, and scream. They are built on headlines, politics, sudden tweets, broken promises, and moments of mass fear. And in that chaos, raw pattern recognition alone becomes brittle. Think about it. One geopolitical tweet, one central bank misspeak, a sudden liquidity sweep, and markets can flip in seconds. AI didn't cause that flip, humans did. It's the fear of humans that did, and that's the first edge humans still keep. The ability to read context, the story behind the numbers. The other truth is AI is data hungry. It needs clean inputs, reliable labels, historical precedent. But markets evolve. They have regime changes. What worked for 5 years not what works for the next 5 years. AI trained in yesterday's market can be blind in tomorrow's markets. Also, there is latence, not physical latence, but psychological latence. AI reacts to data, but humans, good humans, they react to meaning. A trader reads tone, sentiment, intent. A trader feels the market's mood in a way algorithm can't simply be fed as numbers. Look, I'm not hating AI. I use AI tools and should use tools also. They save time and remove noise. But don't confuse faster data with deeper judgment. Those are different muscles, different pains, disciplines. So here's a quick recap. AI equals to incredible pattern machine. AI doesn't equal to perfect contextual judge. AI struggles when the markets change regime or when human emotion writes the script. And the human emotion, the psychology, is the gap that AI will never cross. Let me tell you something that people don't like accepting. AI can read charts, but it can't read you. It doesn't feel fear, it doesn't feel pressure, it doesn't have that note after loss, it doesn't need confidence or courage to place a trade, but you do. And that right there is where real traders are made. Human emotion is the final boss. People think trading is about indicators, strategies, risk to reward, and yeah, it's part of it. But the real game, it's emotional warfare. You can teach algorithms entries and exits, but you can never teach it how to handle holdings through fear. You can't teach it discipline when a setup delays to form. You can't teach it patience when gold starts faking out. And AI doesn't understand pain. It doesn't understand the pain of blowing an account. AI doesn't know humiliation. AI doesn't know when your family counts on you. AI doesn't know what a drawdown does to your confidence. Bro, I've never seen a robot hesitate because of Trump, but I've seen traders freeze because of one loss they had 2 years ago. Mindset isn't code. You can't code resilience. You can't download belief. You can't program hunger. That's why AI can't replace someone who has discipline, someone who sticks to their plan, someone who goes through pain, someone who wakes up each and every day fighting for improvement. I remember last year when I blew 3 program challenges in 1 month. I was finished, but pain forged a new level of discipline in me. I rebuilt, focused on the process, and finally passed. And AI doesn't get forged by failure. Now there is a gap AI can't replace. AI can give you a signal, but it can't make you place it. AI can give you the probability, but it can't make you remove the stop loss. AI can predict patterns, but it can't stop you from winning that trade. Only you can do that. So before you fear being replaced by AI, first fix the parts of yourself that AI can never understand. Your discipline, your consistency, your psychology. And this leads to the beautiful arena where all plays out, the beautiful chaos of the market itself. Let me tell you the most disrespectful truth about the markets. Nothing, and I mean nothing, is predictable forever. You can have the cleanest setup, cleanest confluence, and the market still slaps it. And that's where AI still struggles, because the market isn't math, it's chaos wrapped in probability. Everyone thinks AI is gonna dominate the market because it reads more data than us. And yeah, it reads more data. But guess what? It can't do. It can't anticipate the irrational. Gold doesn't move politely. JPY doesn't move logically. News don't always follow fundamentals. And the market will flip direction just simply because liquidity snatched a new level. That's something no algorithm fully understands. You think AI is ready for the real chaos? Bro, throw a CPI release at it, throw an NFT release at it, through unexpected geopolitical news. These things break models, they destroy backtests, ruin perfect data, and that's why pure automation always hit limits. You can't code unpredictability. The market breaks logic on purpose. It's not built to be predictable, it's designed to punish predictability. And this is where humans outperform AI. We adjust, we adapt, we pause when something feels off, we step back when there is chaos. AI can't do that, it just runs the code. And in this chaos, there is a style of trading that gives traders a massive advantage: the swing trader. People keep asking, will AI replace traders? My answer is simple: not the swing traders, not yet, because swing trading plays a different game. It's less about reacting to noise and more about owning narratives. And right now, humans still read narratives more than AI. Scalpers and high-frequency systems live in milliseconds. They hunt ticks, arbitrage tiny spreads, and rely on no latents and perfect execution. That's AI tough. Raw data, raw speed, and endless data. Swing trading, it's different. You hold edges for days, weeks, or even months. You trade the story, not the screen. Swing setups survive headlines because they are built on larger structure. Supply and demand, macro flows, liquidity zones, and narrative shifts. Those things unfold over time. They are slower, they are messier, and the mess gives humans a greater advantage. AI is amazing at patterns inside the database, but swing trading needs judgment across changing regimes. Markets shift from trending to mean reverting to use driven, and that's not simply a pattern you can learn and forget. AI struggles with regime changes, narrative shifts, low movements, high impact news. Swing traders can adapt, they see the macro, feel the momentum, and hold through the noise. That's a human strength the best models haven't matched consistently. For example, I held the gold trade through a news spike. Everybody panicked, but the higher time frame structure stayed intact, and it finally paid off. The AI was screaming sell, but the narrative hadn't changed. So the edge is clear. Swing trading gives you the space to think, to adapt, and to let probabilities breathe. That's a huge advantage in an era of AI noisy systems. So if you're a swing trader in the AI era, do this. Trade structure, not signals. Use position size to buy sleep. Respect macro. One data point doesn't change the setup. Let AI surface the ideas. We decide execution. So yes, AI is powerful. It will change parts of the game. But for now, swing trading remains a human story. Towards patience, context, and courage. And this brings us to the most practical part of all, the partnership. Let's be real for a second. Everyone is busy arguing AI versus humans. No one talks about the real truth. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. That's where the real power is. Put the two together, and that's a dangerous combination. The winners are those who learn fast, who adapt early, use tools, but keep their mind sharp. AI doesn't remove the need for skill, it increases the importance of skill. Now I know what you're thinking. What about the future? Emotional robots, super intelligence. Listen, that world is not the world we are trading in today. Right now we are in AI with training wheels territory. Emotional modeling is not sad, mad, happy. Trading psychology is way deeper. How does AI understand revenge trading? The hesitation at the perfect setup, knowing when to step out. It can't, not yet, and until it can. Bro, AI might grow, robots might evolve, technology might explode, but listen to me, the future of trading always remain to be the trader who refuses to stop learning, the one who keeps adapting, the one who stays sharp, the one who never lets skill die. AI is just a tool, you are the weapon. And until that the machines can bleed, fail, adapt, rebuild, and raise again like a human traders are still here. Human skill is still here. And human dominance is still here. So keep going, keep learning, keep moving, keep evolving, because that game is far from over. And you're not even close to your final form. So in this journey to success, I'm cheering for you every step of the way.